Hi guys, so today we have a special package. Um, this is the year, I think the sixth, what do they call it? The C30. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna figure this out here. Okay, let me see. Yeah, sorry, it's the B30. Um, I'll say I have given you guys a sneak peek of what we're about to unbox. I wanted to surprise you. So, we're gonna be unboxing the sneakers. This is how it came. You can see it's giving originality. Yeah, this is a one-to-one mirror quality. I guess you already know that by now. Like, you can see the box came in good shape, you know. Yeah, it's perfect. You can tell me that when you walk in store, this is not what you're gonna get. You can tell me that. So let's get right into the video. Uh, let's get right into the unboxing. So yeah, so we have this and oh yeah, a shopping bag. So like if you were going to pull up at the store right now, you could just put the box in here and hold this out, you know, like a shopping bag. Yeah, so this is the quality. Yeah, yeah, I really like this. I would fully, definitely recommend this seller. It also comes with a receipt, you know, saying the price and all that, and you see this, like this is the back. If you were gonna store this receipt, you're just gonna fold it up this way and have it. Yeah, that's your receipt. You see that? Great, yeah? It also has in a dose bag. I think I would definitely recommend this seller because all his stuffs are usually top quality. When I mean top quality, it's always unbelievable. Like you're not gonna even imagine how much you could possibly get this for. Good quality, like good quality, So we have the dose bag as well. And perfectly packaged, as you can see. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah. Oh my God. I really love this. This is top quality, guys. This is top quality. It also has the CD engraved in the bottom part. Yeah, this is the B30 I was talking about. Like this. This is just like the real one, because I got the real one in the blue, but maybe I'm gonna do some other video for side to side comparison. So just stay tuned to the channel for the next one, yeah. So this is it, and every detailing here is good quality. As you can see, I'm giving you the full details, the lace, the mesh, everything is just great quality, yeah. I would definitely recommend you getting this, and I could see myself already at the airport with this fit for this summer. How are you guys even getting ready for the summer, eh? Where are you going to? Where are you traveling to? I don't want to tell you yet where I'm going, but you're gonna see all of this, yeah. So I really love this one because you can see that everything is perfectly done. You have the Dior engraved here. You can see everything perfect. And the stitchings are done even perfectly. You can see that. So if you want to cop this, if you want to get this one, um, you just have to check on the caption. You're gonna see the details to get this sneakers. They have all the colors. They have the green, they have the blue. Yeah, I think so many other colors. Like if white isn't your theme, you could find so many other colors that you want. And you need to also know that this part is usually reflective at night. Yeah, that's the gig. Like it's kind of reflective at night. I don't know how I'm supposed to show you that, but maybe I could try. But god damn it. Like this is giving, guys. This is giving. Like it's unisex, and I'm sure you know that. Yeah. If you want to cop this, yeah, you can also check this in my caption and get yours. I would also be offering a discount code to get a 15% discount. It's my code to purchase this. Isn't that surprising? You know, guys, I'll do anything for you guys because we're here to get everything for small money. Like the big girl things for small money. So yeah, I really love this, and I hope I could. I'm gonna try to get this in other colors, so maybe I could show you guys. But stay tuned for more items like this. You could get the seller's contact also from me. So yeah, this is it. This is the shoes that we are copying this summer. Isn't it beautiful? Like, I mean, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Yeah.